All right, maple syrup season 2025 is almost upon us, and the husband is very much looking forward to this next maple syrup season. This will be our third year of doing it. It's really fun. It's obviously delicious. It is a lot of work. It takes a lot of time, but it's a fun thing to do. There's not much else going on in northern Michigan besides feeding all the pigs or canning something up from like dry beans that I grew last year or something. So it's kind of fun to have something fun to do outside. Last year, you can see in this video, we had barely any snow. This year, we have 14 feet of snow, and the snow in the woods where the trees are is like up to your waist. So it'll be a really fun time getting the buckets of sap out of the woods. So, but we've got a month to go or so until the weather starts changing, until we can get out there and tap the trees. But it's a really fun thing to do if you're interested in learning about it. Find someone local that can kind of show you the ropes, and you can do it at small scale or big scale. This is kind of like a small to medium scale type of thing. So we look forward to it. So enjoy watching the video and the equipment that we're using. And I'll take good videos and pictures of this year's maple syrup season, and I'll get it up prior to the next season. So enjoy. Have fun with the maple. Kitchen counter talks, where every kitchen counter tells a story. What's on yours? I'm going to share with you today mine. We have a mess. We have, oh, something sweet going on though, literally. We are boiling sap today. This is semi-finished product coming into the house, where I am going to bring it up to a super boil, get it to a float test using this cool thing and that cool thing, and it floats, and then I know it's ready to get bottled up. And here is some of our product that we have going on right here. We've got plenty more to go there. And then, oh, because I'm busy doing that and kind of a slave to that, I just took out some stuffed peppers that I had in the freezer. So those are thawing, so we can have those for dinner. The pile of dishes, you know that's gotta be. Some coffee, that's it. 2 lonely eggshells that I'm saving for the garden, and I keep piling them up there. Got the lids ready. And here are some empty jars getting ready for the next batch. And then I'm also found my kombucha in the, it's my first run. It took, I found it in the closet, and it took about a month to finally get there. It is vinegary as heck, but I have my SCOBY down there, my symbiotic culture of bacteria and something else. I forget what the other letter is for. But anyways, environment of some sorts. Anyways, making some kombucha, first time ever. I scooped out the that SCOBY thing from this one here, put it in here, gonna make my next batch. I added some honey in here, 1 to 3 days with a tight lid on. It'll give me that bubbly, fermented type of kombucha I can start drinking. If it's not too fermented, vinegary. But I'll use it for something, and then I'll see, you know, this batch won't have to go as long. But hey, first time, you gotta try something new. Learning curve there. Of course, I got some sourdough sitting in the back. So what's on your counter today, people?